Hey there, folks. Well, if you live in the Northeast, it is as cold as a witch's tit outside today. So I hope you're inside, bundled up, and taking care, maybe watching some football. But when I think cold, I think hockey. So today we are going to do some 1991 Topps Stadium Club with the special Kodak paper in honor of the Great Blizzard. So, first things first is getting this damn thing open. And we are off. And for some reason, the card companies back then couldn't figure out to save their lives how to, put the cards in the same order. I don't know why. Adrian Plavsic. Never heard of him, don't remember him. Marketing crap. Uwe Krupp. John McClain. He had a good career. Good score. Underrated. Dave Christian. Dale Hunter. Mikhail Tatarinov. Ken Reggett. My goodness, look at that stash, eh? What a pussy tickler on this dude. Plus the mullet. Oh my God. When Kenny Reggett went into the bar after the games back in the day, he must have been just a magnet. Some people still have this hairstyle. Al Iafrate, he had a cannon of a shot back in the day. Hall of Famer Chris Chelios. And we finish off, we got two more. Bill Ranford, Conn Smythe Trophy winner back in 1990. I remember that series well against the Bruins. And we finish off with another Oiler from back in the day, Esa Tikkanen. He was a hell of a pest and a hell of a good defensive player too. Yeah. Alrighty, well, like I said, stay warm and stock up on junk food if you haven't already. And wait it out. Cheers, guys.